Start. Hi, myself is Amit Gosai. As a sales VP, I am taking care of sales activity as well as business development. I am from Global CNC Private Limited. Regarding for that RMTS, we are participate 5 times, and overall, the I tell you the one things is overall this is one of the due to rain we are expecting that lots of customer, but some customer fall is down due to rain. That condition, this is a natural disaster. Exactly, we are participate here that RMTS. This is the 5th time we are demonstrate that robots machine, VMC turning, pneumatic pick and place, as well as we have a tie up with one of microdynamic principle. This is from Taiwan, and our own VMC machines. Okay, the overall crowd is there good. We booked near about 20 numbers machine, and we have a lots of inquiry, hot inquiry, and we are expecting the good conversation from the customer end. Thank you very much.